from the Plumbing Doctors. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to fit a washing machine. What you do, guys, is remove these shipping bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want this with this tool to undo our shipping bolts, but I'm going to use 10mm socket from Wera just to make life a little bit easier. Where it's just spinning around, you need to give it a good old pull and remove it. Get your cap, pop that in there and repeat with all 5 bolts. Bolts are removed, caps are in place, and we're ready to plumb it in. Plumb it in, give it a wobble test. As you can see, this one's all over the place. Leveled. You may need 2 people for this. Ask your friend, ask your next door neighbour, whoever you can get hold of. Give it a lift up and then start unwinding them feet and get it level. We need to connect the waste, which is this hose, and then the inlet hose as well. All new washing machines only take cold water. Inlet hose. Make sure your rubber washers are all in there and simply screw it on, making sure it's the angled side. Get this washing machine into place, fish the hoses through the cabinet. Guys, put a bit of fairy washing up liquid on the feet to get it in there nice and easy. Tight, and then give it a little tweak for good luck. Hoses, inlet, outlet. Let's connect the inlet. So screw this on, hand tight, not too tight. Turn it on. There we go. Outlet. Simply push, give it a tug. That's not going nowhere. Make sure it's a snug fit, and if you need to, cut it down. Make sure it's nice and tight. All finished, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the comments if you've got any questions. Job's done.